In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your personal email inbox with HubSpot, a valuable way to streamline your communication and enhance your productivity. Let's dive right in by starting with navigating to the trial guide on HubSpot's platform. First, open your preferred web browser and make your way to the trial guide on HubSpot's platform. This step is crucial because it allows you to familiarize yourself with the overall layout and features HubSpot offers. You'll be guided to the Sales Hub Professional Trial Guide, giving you a comprehensive look at what to expect throughout this process. Once you're there, you'll want to pay attention to the highlighted section on your screen. Clicking on this highlighted area is essential as it draws your focus to key features and ensures you're interacting with the right components. This feature is particularly useful for those new to HubSpot, as it prevents unnecessary confusion when navigating where everything is located. Your next move is to look for the option labeled General. Clicking on General will take you to the basic settings and configuration area. This section is where you can make preliminary adjustments to your HubSpot account, setting the stage for a smoother experience later on. It's good practice to get accustomed to this settings area as it will be a regular go-to for your customization needs. Following this, you'll want to locate and select Email from the options. This takes you into the email settings, where you'll have more control over how email communication occurs through your HubSpot account. Familiarizing yourself with these settings is vital, as it directly impacts how you manage your communications and campaigns. Now, you'll see an option to Connect Personal Email. Clicking this will begin the setup process for linking your email account. It's crucial to ensure that you're ready to input your personal email credentials and complete any authentication required by your email provider. This action forms the main pathway for integrating your existing email with HubSpot. Moving on, you'll encounter the option to Connect your inbox. After clicking on this, you'll be prompted to install the necessary add-ons, specifically for Outlook. Installing add-ons is a key part of this process, particularly for enhancing the integration and ensuring you can make the most out of linking Outlook with HubSpot. By following these steps, you've successfully integrated your personal email with HubSpot, streamlining communication processes, and setting yourself up for an efficient workflow. Make sure to test the connection and send a few test emails to ensure everything is working correctly. Thanks for watching, and feel free to explore all the functionalities this integration has enabled for a complete HubSpot experience. Keep watching our channel for more helpful tips and guides tailored to enhance your digital productivity.